Chicken salad stuffed avocado in 5 minutes. But before that, check the description for our number one recommendation belly fat program. Let's begin. Chicken salad stuffed avocado is such an easy recipe. It is a 5 minute with 5 ingredient recipe. Now when I say 5 minutes, you are ready with your cooked chicken or back on with avocado. So the ingredients are 3 oz cooked chicken breast, 1 slice of pre-cooked bacon broken into bit-sized pieces, 1 teaspoon of green onion diced, medium avocado, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1 chopped stalk of celery, which is optional. Now combine chicken, bacon, green onion and celery in a bowl and stir in your sour cream. Season with salt, pepper. If desired, cut and pit an avocado. Top the avocado with your chicken salad and serve. That's it. If you are into a weight loss or keto diet program, this recipe is going to do the wonders. Do check our description for a weight loss program and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.